Welcome everyone. My name is Diyaben Narayanbhai Chaudhary. Today I will be presenting an analysis of the Colgate Palmolive It Like You Should marketing campaign, which has become a benchmark of impactful health-centric marketing strategy. Overview of the company. Colgate Palmolive, established in 1806, is a global leader in oral care, personal care, home care, pet nutrition products with operations like over 200 countries. The company serves both B2B and B2C customers with trusted and innovative solutions. Colgate has become a synonym with oral hygiene, offering essential products like toothpaste, toothbrush, and mouthwash that millions rely on daily. The company mission is to reimage a healthier future through sustainable and health focused initiatives. Colgate Palmolive emphasizes innovation in health and wellness, marketing oral care fundamental parts of everyone's life. Additionally, the company is committed to reducing environmental impact, incorporating recyclable packaging and eco-friendly formulation in its products lines. Marketing channels of the company. Colgate Palmolive employs diverse and effective mix of marketing channels to amplify its campaigns. Television and radio commercials is an instrument it creates a broad awareness, reaching a wide demographic with complementing narratives. Social media platforms like Instagrams, YouTubes, Facebooks enable Colgates to engage customers with interactive, educational, and visual appearance connects. Their websites and mobile platforms further enhance engagement, offering resources like oral healthcare tips, personalized recommendations, and products informations. At the point of the sale, Colgate leverage in the store promotion and eye-catching display to reinforce the campaign message and diverse purchasing. Collaborations with a dental professional and influence amplifying the campaign's credibility, while community based on initiatives connect directly with local populations, aligning with Colgate missions of offering healthier lifestyle. Marketing best practice. Colgate Eat Like You Should campaign is a prime example of health-centric message is a marketing. It emphasizes how maintaining oral health can empower individuals to enjoy healthier and more fulfilled diet. The campaign combines education with storyline, demonstrating the tangible benefits education with oral care in daily lives. Colgate links oral hygiene and broad wellness themes, illustrating the long-term prevention benefits of its products and their impacts on overall quality of the life. Engaging visual and testimonials are used effectively create emotional connects with customers and showcasing how Colgate's solution fits in their lives. The campaign reinforced trust by solution fit into their lives. Campaign reinforced trust by focusing on health improvement, encouraging the customers see Colgate as more than the products but as a partner in their well-being. Lesson 2 Competitive. Competitives can draw several key lessons for Colgate's It Like You Should campaign. First, promoting oral healthcare as a gateway to better living resonates strongly with health conscious audience and providing a competitive edge. Second, preventing action. Education connects build trust and loyalty by empowering customers to make a information decision. Third, highlighting the lifestyle improvements such as healthier eating, health connects products and tangible benefits. ensuring relevance and deeper emotional engagement. Collaborating with professional and influencers strengths and brand credibility and increase the reach, particularly in untapped market. Finally, integrating sustainability with health focus messaging not only enhance appeal but also aligning with customer growing professional for eco-conscious practice. Marketing initiatives example. Let's dive into the specific of the Eat You It Like You Should campaign. The campaign object was to encourage customers to prioritize oral hygiene by showing its impacts on better eating habits and overall wellness. It's a targeted health conscious individuals and families who value preventing care and wellness as integrates to their daily routine. The campaign features TV and television ads, complemented by social media reach outs and education material, and emphasizing the connection between the oral care and healthier diet. Collaboration with the dentist, influencer, and health professionals added a credibility to the campaign message and extend its reach to diverse audiences. Colgate also integrates interactive social media elements like polls and videos, encouraging user participation while delivering the practice oral care tips. The campaign is impressive the results. Brand engagement increased by 25% driven by relatable and informative connects that reasonable with the target audiences. Colgate total product sales rose by 50%, demonstrating the campaign ability to drive customers' behavior. Positive sentimental for the brand improved by 20% with the customer appearance Colgate focus on wellness and education. Additionally, online search for oral care tips and Colgate products search reflecting the campaign's success in sparkling customers' interest and awareness. These are the list of the reference I have used for the analysis of this best marketing practice of the Colgate Palmolive. Thank you so much.